So, ladies and gentlemen, up until now, you have been brainwashed into thinking that that little device over there is the only thing that's good for cooking chicken wings. But the Pietro way and the Italian way is a little bit different. So what we have here is a pie plate full of chicken wings that have been marinating for 3 or 4 hours in olive oil, lemon juice, onion salt, garlic salt, paprika, basil, not bacon, and we're going to put them in this device right here, in this pizza oven, which we're warming up right now. Hey, can we do a temperature check here, gentlemen? Okay, so there's our heat, and we're doing a temperature check before we put it in, and our heat at the source.
Not at the source. On the plate where it's going to be cooking is 618.
618.
Just about 619.
Okay, and then right up at the
source is.
The source is fire.
Source is well over 1,000 degrees.
Well over 1,000 degrees. So here's what we do: we put them in a little pie plate. Get a little bit of aluminum foil under it so you don't dirty the plate. Throw it in.
Once again, the lefty is really handy.
And about 10 minutes, we're going to turn it and turn them over so they cook on the other side. And let's just see if we can. Probably, you know what? This is going to be a wasted scene because you can't see anything in there. Oh, wait a minute.
Ready?
So let's see what they look like now after being turned over a couple of times. Oh, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages.
You hear that? You hear the crackle?
Listen
still?
to listen to the snap, crackle, and pop. And I don't mean what do you call it?
Rice Krispies.
I don't mean Rice Krispies.
Well, here, let's bring it over to the table, right?
Okay, so let's.
Do we have a hot pad over there? We do.
Yep, we do.
Now this takes the balance and coordination of a
Gymnast.
summer camp. Hey, what's that? What's the field day? The egg carry with the spoon.
The egg carrying, right? Okay.
Look at that! I would have won that
So
competition.
now turn those around. Show how golden brown those are.
Hold on. The tongs are over. Let's get the other ones in, right? You want the other ones in?
Well, not yet.
All right. Let me grab the tongs. Hold on.
Yeah. So can you hear those? Still. Here, let's get to better sunlight. Well, look at. Here's a couple that have already been attacked.
The remains.
But look at these. Look at that, both sides here. Why don't you put them in there, Mike? And then what we're going to do, after that is.
Now, have these already been sauced?
Nope.
Partially, they weren't seasoned.
They were seasoned. They've been marinating for 3 or 4 hours. With olive oil, onion salt, garlic salt,
Now, you want to do the sauce?
lemon juice.
He's coming in.
Nolan, what do you think, buddy? Okay. So now we want to
Going inside.
sauce them again. Okay. And sauce and toss. Flip that over. No. And now just shake those babies up. Jay, and is his hand motion okay? Has he got?
The lefty's crippling, man.
No. Yeah.
The lefty's crippling.
Yeah. We have a left hand, right hand thing here.
Oh.
Okay.
I didn't want to
Anything
get
on
all
your
over
shirt?
my clothes.
Look at that. Look at that. Like a human popcorn
the other
machine.
John
Look at that,
DePietro.
ladies and gentlemen. So, here, try one. Try one.
They're
Or
a
is it
little
still
hot
too
still.
hot? No, Jay, you're gonna. How are they?
Perfect.
Okay.
And you want to see what they look like before they go in? Have you already showed the people that?
Yeah.
So we're about to put it in the last set.
Okay.
Oh, I already got some.
Oh, wait a minute. Now we got a test.
Sad wings.
We got a flat wing.
Oh, 2 flats? Fuck.
Now, whatever you want. Whatever you want. So, Mike, how is it?
So good.
So good, Jay?
Unbelievable.
I gotta go
Better
back.
each bath.
I gotta go back to the beach after this. This is tough.
Yeah. Well, don't tell them about it because they'll want it. We want to eat them all.
No, it's our secret.
Oh my god.
Okay, that's
every
the
batch
scoop.
is better.
From Wing Headquarters USA.